General V.K. Singh is my guest on News Hour Direct tonight. General Singh, you are a former army chief and now you're one of the most vocal critics of the government. Does it really surprise you that the government would withdraw protection to you? You know, some might say you can't be protected by the same government that you criticize.
See, it is like this. It is for the government to decide what security cover is given to whom. They had given this. Time duration is their problem. It is their prerogative. I've got no complaints or anything to do with it. All that I'm amused at is the way the public announcement has been made. This is the first time that I'm seeing public announcement of a thing where you say you are under Z plus today and you are not under Z plus. You normally send a letter and that is the end of it. So that is the amusing part. I really don't know why all this fuss about making it public.
But we have a point. Threat perception can't change overnight. Were you accompanied by your security when you went to Jantar Mantar on Sunday?
Arnab, I've never been carrying any security in full terms in which it is given. In fact, today when the police people rang up my staff, they were told that I've never had a single policeman in this house of mine. Similarly, whenever I have gone anywhere, I have not carried anybody with me. I have been like a normal citizen of this country if I have taken part in anything to do with the citizens.
No, so you're saying you never actually you were never actually carrying the security cover around you?
No. I've never had it.
Do you feel the government reacted because it felt that the protests were peaceful till you and Baba Ramdev entered the scene?
That I really don't know. That is for you people to analyze and come to a decision on. All that I'm saying is that I went for a cause in this particular case, and I think a very rightful cause for which the whole country feels ashamed at the heinousness of the incident, and it affects the entire country.
Was yours in some way an anti-government protest? Some sections are worried that yours is essentially an anti-government protest due to your own political ambitions.
Arnab, I think this is carrying imagination too far. This particular protest actually is against a general lack of apathy and security that people demand. And more than that, I can't really say.
You are a former army chief, General V.K. Singh, who has now got an FIR against him for rioting. You have an FIR for damaging public property. It's a very unusual situation, isn't it, for you?
Again, it is some real good imagination at work. Anybody who has seen the clips of what I spoke, what my behavior was, in fact, even the good paper called Indian Express said that I was actually trying to tell people to maintain calm and peace. If after that somebody wants to register a FIR, I really don't know what they are looking at.
Last question. Kiran Bedi tweeted, I don't know if you know, but she asked, why should you have security cover in the first place?
I think Ms. Bedi is not aware that all chiefs have this security because of certain things for which cannot be made public at this time. And if she has seen me roaming around, she would have realized that I have been roaming around like a normal citizen.
General V.K. Singh, I thank you for joining me on that News Hour Direct exclusive tonight. Thank you.